Hello, welcome to Stocks and Investments Weekly Update. Every week we look at how markets performed, which stocks brought joy to investors, which important news and events had an impact on the market. Let's start with the week 1 of February 2022. The week started with 3 days in green, followed by heavy selling on Thursday and Friday. Overall, on a weekly time frame, markets ended up almost on a 2.5 upside. Only Nifty 50 or Nifty Junior closed marginally higher with 3.36 on the positive side compared to last week's close. During the week, India VIX shot up to 22 on 1st of Feb, but later in the week it came down and closed the week at 18.89. Looking at sectoral indices, the highest gainer from last week turned out to be Nifty Metal, followed by Nifty Pharma. Nifty Metal rose to about 6.6% from last week, while Nifty Pharma gave an upside of 4.6% from last week. Both Nifty FMCG and Nifty IT jumped over 3% despite global news and sentiments, especially in the IT sector. Looking at DII and FII data, FII is sold for 7692 CR, while DII is bought for 5921 CR. Only on 3rd Feb, DIIs did a little bit of selling of 370 CR. Other than that, for rest of the days, they bought heavily. Looking at global markets, almost all markets, with the exception of DAX, were closed the week on slightly on the higher side, just like Indian markets, almost about 2% up. Now we come to the most interesting part of the video. We will look at the trending stocks of the week. Alright, so first pick is Jindal Drilling. After their earning reports on Wednesday, it has broken out, and in last three trading session, it has moved up slightly over 50 rupees, closing the week at 207. And with this really good volumes, this stock is the one to watch for next week. Our second pick is Ambika Cotton Mill, similar to the previous one after the earning report. It has broken out. It did a gap up on Friday, and since their earnings report, it has risen about 600 rupees in just two trading sessions. So from 2100, it has gone to 2739, slightly over 600 rupees. So if you are holding this stock, it must have been an amazing week for you. The third one is Deepak Fertilizer. It has been trending for like a couple of weeks now. There was a short pullback here, but then again it has done a couple of gap ups. Let's see if it continues its run next week as well. Right, coming to the final section of the video, what to expect next week. So next week is very eventful. A lot of big companies are coming up with their latest results. So on the 8th of Feb, you will have likes of IRCTC, Mahanagar Gas, Latent View, Jindal Steel, Transpec, BSC, Shivalik Rasayan, Rupa, Borosil Renewables, all coming up with their results. On 9th, the likes of Tata Power, Bajaj Paints, HEG, Finolex Cables, BSF India. On 10th, Tata Chemicals, Piramal Enterprises, M&M, Alembic Pharma, the one to watch for Alembic Pharma, especially after their last quarter results. And Amar Raja Batteries, they will be coming up with their results. We will be discussing some of these in our next video. Tune in. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.